welcome back to my channel. So today I'm having another thrift store adventure day, and it's not really a thrift store, but it's a building and you can rent a booth, and there you can sell all your vintage thrift store stuff. So there are a lot of people that are selling some awesome things. So I'm just going to take a look and see if I can find anything, and I'm going to take you with me. Yeah, so the first thing I found was this little cutie. So these are dried flowers in, I think, raisin. And I thought it was so cute. And the next and last thing I got is this one. I got it from my mother's booth, and every time I come there I try to sponsor her by buying something from a booth, but only if I really like it. So this time I really like this one, and it says parsley, bay leaf, celery and thyme. So it's a really lovely color. So that was it for today. It's not a very big haul, but I only went to the one shop. So thank you so much for coming with me to the store. And I really hope you liked it. And if you liked it, please like and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Oh, that you can... Komt er niet lekker uit, Sanne?